Hello viewers, welcome back to Gatgets Compare. In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 versus Samsung Galaxy M54 versus Huawei Enjoy 6T. So let's see the full comparison video. Display type, display size, resolution, screen to body ratio, aspect ratio, pixel density, always on display, refresh rate, screen protection, body design, body weight, body height, body width, body thickness, water resistant, SIM slot, storage, has RAM, has memory, storage type, card slot, platform, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, main camera, megapixel, second camera megapixel, third camera megapixel, has LED flash, HDR camera, panorama, video records, selfie camera, megapixel, HDR camera, video records, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QZSS, has NFC, infrared port, radio, USB connection, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity, barometer, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, launch, launch date, market status, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe Gatgets Compare.